there, it's Kimberly here with Knit for Brains. We've been on vacation and it's my birthday and I got packages. So let's go ahead and open it and see what I got because I don't even remember what this is. Hey there, it's Kimberly here with Knit for Brains. We were on vacation and a couple packages came in while we were gone. Not a lot of packages, Britt. Don't worry about it. But this one came in and I think it's from WeCrochet. I was waiting. They were doing a sale. Oh yeah. It's from WeCrochet and we love WeCrochet. Now, I figured yarn is okay because I've been doing a lot of crochet and when it's gone, then, you know, you need more yarn. So you can get mad at me, Britt, about ordering hooks because hooks don't go away. He doesn't even get mad at me. He doesn't get mad. He doesn't get mad. He doesn't get like, even on like, we went whitewater rafting on a recent vacation. We went down this one rapid, right? Called the Big Kahuna. The Big Kahuna. I am like freaking out the whole time going, when are we going to get there? When are we going to get there? Is it going to be bad? Are we going to die? He had the GoPro on and it was a blast. It was so much fun. We were on the Snake River in Jackson, Wyoming on this amazing vacation with our friends. And we come up on the Big Kahuna and it was big, let me tell you. And we're all screaming and whooping and hollering and I got drenched and the Brit, nothing. I was like, are you okay? Did you enjoy it? Oh, I really enjoyed it. He internalizes it all. Everything's on the inside. That's okay. So yeah, but he doesn't get mad, which I'm fine with. Anyways, so WeCrochet was offering a sale on some of their yarn. And there's a little book inside here as well. Oh no. Oh, it's not a book. It's a coupon. It's a coupon, Britt. That means I could get more stuff. It says I can get, until October 15th, I can save 25% off needle sets with this code. Oh, I wonder if I could share that. Oh, okay. I'm going to share this on my page, on the comments. And if you want to go in there and take a look on the needle sets. Now, this would be for WeCrochet, well, actually for KnitPicks. Then you can use this little thing and save 25%. Oh, you're welcome. I'll save that. I'll share that with you. Okay. So I guess this is it. This is all I got. I'm very excited. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. It says, thank you for being a part of the crochet family, Kimberly. You're welcome. You're so welcome. Crochet.com. All right, let's take a look at what we got. And let me see if I can find the prices because it's not listed here. So hold please. All right, so these yarns were on sale. And so I'm going to tell you what I got and what they came in at and all that kind of stuff. So WeCrochet and KnitPicks are the same company and they have a couple other companies as well. I think it's like for embroidery and different things like that. You should check them out. This coupon that they gave me is for until October 15th. So KP Fall 25, you can save 25% off on your needle sets. And that's going to be with their rainbows or their woods or their aluminums or their interchangeables or their double pointed, and they're beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I have a set of their double pointed in their woods that are gorgeous. And I even have some of their longer ones, but I'll show you the double pointed. These guys, aren't they beautiful? So these are for smaller works, you know, like if you're doing hats and things like that, or you're on circular needles and then you get down, you're sort of, decreasing and then they get smaller. You want to switch over to double pointed. These are the Majestic double pointed needle sets. These are the 6 inches, but look at those colors. They're absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful. And they always come in a really nice package, but look at that. And they're so smooth. So even if you're not a knitter, these are beautiful sets. You might want to try them. What I love, hear that? So as you're knitting, and they feel so smooth. You're just like click, 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 click. Love it, love it, love it, love it. All right. I'm a very tactile person. So I like how a yarn feels, how a hook feels when I'm crocheting, and how the needles feel when I'm knitting. It has to feel good to me. I don't like the yarn to feel oily or, sometimes it feels like it has a coating and you're like, right? Sometimes I like, oh, I can't like breathe. It's the weirdest thing, right? And people have gone, oh, I know what you mean. I know that. So if you know what I'm talking about, comment below. Sometimes yarns have really icky feels to them. So let's see what we have here. Okay. Oh, it's beautiful. I fell in love. So if you don't know anything about me, hi, my name is Kimberly. I am a crazy person. My favorite colors are like pink, rose golds, fuchsias, but I'm really a big fan for like the softer pinks, the rose gold specifically. I just got these beautiful hooks from Ophire, and they have their new azalea with the rose gold, and then the hooks. Look at that. Now, have you ever known anybody who will match up their hook to their yarn? Hello, nice to meet you. Look at this yarn. This is called Chroma Twist. It's a bulky weight. It's called Get Your Neon. Love that. It is 127 yards, 100 grams, and it is 70% superwash merino wool, 30% nylon. This is actually a weight of a 5, so it's a little bit of a bulky. And then here it has all the information stuff on the back. But look at the colors, and it's really soft because it is a superwash wool and a little bit of nylon going in there. It's going to be great for, I'm going to make a hat. We're going to be going on some trips next year especially, and it's going to be really cold. And so I bought just enough to make a hat. Nothing big, nothing fancy. This was on sale, and so I got this for $7.79 per skein. And that is, once again, it is 127 yards. So 2 of these is going to make a hat. But look at this. And look at that color. Is that, don't you just love that? Like that hook matches with that yarn. Who does that? Who does that? I ask you. This person does that. I love this. So this was their Chroma Twist. Now some of their Chroma Twist was on sale depending on the color, and some wasn't. So I got this because I really liked it and it was on sale. I always buy stuff on sale. And the Brit, who I know is watching because he does all of my video editing, I always like to make sure I tell him it was on sale. It was on sale. Oh my gosh. Oh, I was so excited to get this. So KnitPicks and WeCrochet, because it's the same one, right? Says it right here on the label, had this Alpaca Cloud on sale. Not every color, most of the colors. This is a lace weight, so it's really light. It is 440 yards and 50 grams. What I loved about the colors, well, I love the colors, but I loved the names that they gave them. They matched up the names with characters from Highclere Castle, from Downton Abbey, also literature like Romeo and Juliet, and I was like, ugh. So I bought it because I loved the colors, but I was like, and the names, they go together. Okay, so this one is called Rose, right? This again is Alpaca Lace Weight Cloud. So it is a weight of 0. So it is very, very fine, but I can mix this with something. It is 100% baby alpaca. Don't you wish this was Touch-A-Vision? Look at how beautiful this is. Slightest little bit of halo, just the slightest bit. There we go. Look at that. Look at the strands. Oh my God. It is so beautiful. Let me see if I can just pull them apart a little bit like that. Oh, it's gorgeous. So this color is called Rose. And I ended up getting 2 skeins of this. All of these came in at $7.19. And I think they were like $9 or $10. Might have been like 40% off. Okay, so I got 2 rose colors. Then I got Matthew from Downton Abbey. But look at that color. So this is kind of, it is a heathered look, right? Again, same thing. Alpaca Cloud, it's 100% superfine alpaca, a weight of a, oh, this is a weight of a 1. Now that's interesting. This is a weight of a 0, which I was like, I've never actually worked with a weight of a 0 before. No, but it is, okay. So here's what I think is happening. Yep, there it goes. Okay, so the heather is a little bit different, and I don't know what, it's still 100% superfine alpaca. So it's still exactly the same thing. For whatever reason, because it is a little bit more of a heathered, they're calling it a weight of a 1. But you can see that there. Come on, give it to me. All right, there it is. I know the color doesn't do it justice. It just gives a little bit more of a mottled, a little bit of a softer look. The difference between the two is negligible, but there you go. So this is the heathered one, and then this is the solid. This is Rose, and this is Matthew. So they're very, very similar in color. They say that this is a 0, this is a 1. I'm calling it the same because really it is. It's negligible. It is. It's fine. Anyways, so I ended up getting 2 of the Matthew. This is Matthew, right? Yes. So 2 Matthew, 2 Rose, and then look at this. Okay. Again, this is a Highclere Castle. This is a Downton Abbey thing, right? This color is called Mary. So you know I have to put Mary and Matthew together because Mary was married to Matthew, if you recall, and then Matthew died. No spoiler alerts, right? If you're just watching Downton Abbey now, or if you've been, the show's been out for like a bazillion years. Mary was married to Matthew and they had a son, and then he was coming to the house to see the baby. He left and he came back and he got in a car accident. Sorry. Very sad, tragic. But I am reuniting Mary and Matthew together with these 2 colors. Isn't that? So this is more of, so Mary is more of a kind of a claret color, a bluish reddish color. Beautiful. Just beautiful. And then Matthew's is a little bit more of a soft color. If you pull them back a little bit like this, you can see the difference in the 2. And again, this is the Mary, which is a solid, not the heather. So this is coming in at a 0. This is coming in at a weight of 1. Not the same. All right, so we got 2 Marys, 2 Matthews, and then 2 Roses. Then I'm a sucker. I am a sucker for literature. I am a sucker for, anyways. So this is, again, same yarn, the Alpaca Cloud. They come in at 440 yards. This is coming in at a weight of 0 because it is the solid. This color, it's called Juliet. Look at that. So it's a beautiful burgundy, like Merlot kind of a color, a Merlot, right? Love it. You ready for this? Romeo. Romeo and Juliet are these 2 colors. Aren't they beautiful? So this is coming in at a brown, but it's not like a true brown. It's kind of like a reddish brown. Chestnut. Let's call it a chestnut. So we have Romeo, we have Juliet right here. We have Mary, and we have Matthew, who I think that's perfect because he really was the softer of the 2, you know. He was the attorney, and Mary was just, you know, like didn't love him, and he loved her, and then she fell in love and all that stuff. And then, of course, the Romeo and the Juliet, the tragic, the love together. But look at these gorgeous colors together, right? And then we've got Rose. Now, I don't think that there was a Leonardo DiCaprio character. Oh, no, that was Sybil. I'm trying to think who Rose was. I don't think there was a Rose in Downton Abbey. If I'm wrong, let me know. Yeah. Anyways, so we have Rose. We have Matthew. We have Matthew with Mary. We have Juliet with Romeo. Aren't they lovely? Oh my goodness. So I don't know. Maybe I'm going to have to do like I have enough because each one of these is 440 yards. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is that right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I got like 5,000 yards here. I have a lot. I have enough to make a sweater that's very, 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 very loose. I could do a beautiful stripy sweater, or I could even double strand these if I really wanted to. But I might, I'm not sure. Stay tuned to see what I'm going to do with these. But this was my unboxing from my WeCrochet. Again, they were on sale. They were 40% off. When you spend $45 with WeCrochet, you get free shipping. And then they're always offering coupons. Always, always, always offering coupons. So all of this came in. It was normally $87.48, and that was with the sale. But then I had another sale on top of it that gave me another 20% off, or another $20 off. So all of this cost me $70.69 for 10 skeins, right? That is like less, let's see, 70 divided by 10? That's like $7 a skein. That's a great deal for 440. That's a really good deal. Wow, and it is a beautiful 100% natural fiber, as opposed to like an acrylic or something like that. There is no acrylic in this. There is no polyamide or polyamide. There's no poly. There's nothing going on in here. So for those of you that say you cannot get a natural fiber yarn at a good price, yes, you can. Everything I get from WeCrochet is beautiful. They do have some acrylics, but even their natural fibers, very, very, very good deals. Very happy about this. So go check out WeCrochet if you're interested. Look at those colors together. I tell you. Yeah, these are the 5 together, and they're just beautiful. Oh my gosh, I'm very excited about this. So check them out. I'm going to include in the comments this coupon, and I think it should work. Doesn't say why you can't. Save 25% off on KP Fall 25. So that's KnitPicks Fall 25, and this is on their needle sets. So that's just for the knitting, but there's always going to be stuff for the crochet and things as well. And then of course we got this lovely Chroma Twist, which was also on sale. Just a real quickie to come on and show you guys what I just got from WeCrochet. I've been doing so much knitting and crocheting that I actually need more yarn. Hooks, questionable, but yarn, always. All right, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for checking in. If this is your first time here, welcome. We're so glad you're here. Please subscribe to the channel so that you get all those notifications, and make sure that you like this channel, because that kind of makes us more popular. It sends the numbers up, and then more people see us, and then more people join in, and we have a great time. We do more tutorials, more unboxings, more reviews. We've even got some mystery unboxings coming up, and we're going to be doing some tutorial series as well on making garments without patterns. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And then we still have Project Welcome Home going on. So, now that you've subscribed, kind of binge backwards and take a look at some of the stuff we've been doing. Thanks so much for watching. This is Kimberly with Knit for Brains, and as always, I'll see you soon.